What's going on? It's Katie here with KT Visuals, and today I'm just going to show you how to do these dope cinematic black bars on your video without having to download a photo and add more rendering time to your video. So let's get to it. So we're here in Premiere Pro, and I've already dragged in a clip that I want to use. It's just a clip of my buddy doing a workout, and we're going to make it look a little cinematic with these black bars. So the first thing we're going to do is go down here and click New Item, and then we're going to click Adjustment Layer. It'll be your same settings. And then we just drag this adjustment layer over the clip and extend it to the end of the clip. And then you're going to take this adjustment layer and you're going to go to Effects. And you're going to type in Crop, which I've already done here. Just drag the crop on top of the adjustment layer, and all we need to do is change the top and the bottom. So typically standard I think is like 16%, but we're going to do 13% just because I like the look of it personally. So you do 13% on the top and the bottom, and then you have your adjustment layer here, and it looks a little cinematic to me. So the other thing you can do is move your clip. Now that you have these black bars on the top and bottom, if you're missing part of the top that you really wanted, you can kind of move it back and forth because it crops your whole visual at the end of the day. So if I want to show more of his upper arm, I'll probably do that and have the focus point be more here on his shoulder when we come into that. So that's it. It's super quick and easy to do. It doesn't take too long. All you have to do is do these crop effects and add the adjustment layer and you're good to go. The other option is to just download a PNG file, but I find that that takes a little bit longer to render for me personally. So I just prefer to do it this way if I'm gonna add it at all. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe down below. If you have any tutorial requests or video requests in general, please drop them in the comments. I would love to try those out and get to those soon. I will see you guys next time with another tutorial.